Today, we're ranking the top 5 funny dog moments in the snow, from silly slips to unexpected reactions that will make you laugh in just seconds.
You are not a fucking husky. Get in the house. Mimic, come on. Let's go. I hate dogs.
Captain! No! Get down here! Captain! You can't go up there! Hi! Do you want to come in? No. You're a good girl, Macy. Do you want to come in? No? Come on. Okay. Okay, come on. Hi, Macy! Come on in! Come on! Macy, come.
And so come on. Come. And so
But before number 1, if you like dogs, make sure to hit like and subscribe because you might not see this channel again.
Ollie, come inside. Come on.